In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install OBS for screen recording. So to start with, you come to anywhere within your search bar and just search for OBS project. Just like so, and hit on enter, and you can see it over here, open broadcaster software. You can click on the first option and it will bring you over here. So you have the option to download. It's available for Windows, Mac operating system, and Linux. So my own is going to be Mac operating system, and I'm just going to click on it. You have the option to install the Intel version or the Apple Silicon. Mine is Intel, so I'm just going to click on this and it is going to download it directly for me. The download is finished. You can click over here. Installation is also direct. You can click and it is going to show us. You can just drag and drop into the applications and this is done. So you can come over here and you'll be able to search for OBS and you'll be able to see it over here, OBS screen capture. And click to kickstart line. You can just go ahead and click on this. Now you have a fresh OBS installed on your system. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.